Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming eligibility and completing KYC so Google can set your credit limit. Open the Google Pay app, go to Settings, and enable Google Pay Later. Accept the updated terms and consent to a soft credit check. Next, link your primary bank account or debit card. This will be the default payment source. Once done, note your assign limit and any introductory offers so you know how much you can use immediately. When you check out, choose Google Pay Later as the payment method. You'll see your available limit and repayment options. You can pick one-time payment within 30 days or split into EMIs, select tenure, and review monthly amounts. Make sure to read the fee and interest breakdown so you understand the total payable. Confirm the payment and authenticate with the OTP or biometric prompt. Once confirmed, the merchant is paid, and your G-Pay Later balance updates immediately. After purchase, manage repayments from the G-Pay Later tab. View upcoming dues, choose autopay to avoid late fees, or make early payments to reduce interest. Once you set autopay, ensure your linked bank has funds 2 days before the due date so transactions clear. If a payment fails, retry immediately and check the transaction ID. Contact Google Pay support with that ID and a screenshot. If limits or eligibility look wrong, recheck KYC and recent credit behavior. Resubmitting documents often resolves discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.